Hi, my name is Milla. I'm a tech recruiter here at F-Secure.
And my name is Laura Kankaala, and I work as Head of Threat Intelligence here at F-Secure. And as Head of Threat Intelligence, me and my teams that I work with, we investigate all kinds of scams. And recently, I've gotten a lot of very interesting scams, also personally. And it's scams like these that I get to my Telegram instant messaging app or to WhatsApp from a person who is claiming to be a recruiter and offering me an awesome job opportunity. For instance, this lovely person here claims that she wants to hire me and pay me for 500 euros in Bitcoin per day. So that's quite a significant amount per month. And I would say, of course, this sounds obviously too good to be true, but Milla, as a tech recruiter, what would be your obvious red flags that you see here?
Yeah, first of all, this is a very familiar problem to me. I've heard about this and it's all over my LinkedIn, and actually many of my friends have been victims of these kind of scams. So it's a very good topic to discuss. Okay, let's see. So first, looking at the image, it looks a bit like something from a photo stock. So I would definitely do a Google image, a reverse image search for that one. Then also I would check for the company. Is it a legit one?
Yeah, actually that company exists, but
Okay.
I'm sure this person doesn't actually work at that company.
Yeah. Maybe first thing I would do is to actually go on LinkedIn and see if the person works there and if they have any connections who work there. So that would be the first kind of step there. Also, looking at the language itself, the messages tend to have a lot of typos, as this one.
Maybe she had a bad day.
But would definitely also maybe see those as a minor yellow flag here.
Yeah, and after this, I actually naturally had to play along and say, oh my God, yes, I want this job, and see where this went. So she asked me, or he or she, I don't know actually who is behind this, asked me to go on eBay and add things on a shopping cart and take a screenshot. Not even buy, but just put stuff on shopping cart, take a screenshot of it and send it over to this person. And then another case that I encountered was that this person asked me to like a YouTube channel or subscribe to a YouTube channel. So these quite easy tasks that need to be completed, and once they are completed, this person will redirect me to another person who will then give me more instructions on how to go to this specific website, buy cryptocurrency, and then surprise, invest that money. So naturally it's an investment scam, and these seem to be very prevalent today, but I would hope that F-Secure recruitment process is a bit different than this.
Yeah, let's say it's slightly different. So first of all, we always have a proper assessment process in place. We have at least 2 to 3 interviews where you'll meet with different team members, the hiring manager, who all tell you about the team and answer also your questions. So it's not just us asking questions from the candidates. And then when it comes to gathering any kind of candidate data, especially the personal data like ID or home address, those happens always when we are creating the employment contract. So there's always a purpose when we need those kind of information, and that's never asked through, for example, WhatsApp or Telegram or these kind of social messaging platforms. But that's maybe about the process differences and nuances here.
Yeah, and we don't ask you to invest in cryptocurrency, and we don't pay salaries in Bitcoin.
Yeah.
But I've noticed also that some of these recruitment scams are really taking it to the next level, that they are actually creating LinkedIn profiles using pictures and names and other background information of actual recruiters to create, again, better looking fake accounts to scam people.
Yeah, unfortunately, many of my friends have been victim of these kind of scams, and it's really happening. One thing, for example, what you can do to ensure that it's not a scam, go to their profile, check their connections. Usually, they tend to have just a few connections, and they are definitely not working in the company they pretend to work at. Yeah. Second thing would be to look at their work experience, what other companies they worked at, where they studied, And then as a last result, if you're still unsure, I would maybe also reach out to the company real recruiter or the company's any kind of email or general info mail that you can reach out to, because I believe that companies also want to know if their recruiters are being victims of these kind of scams.
Yeah, absolutely. And that's it for today.
Thank you and stay safe.
Bye.